TAZSWICCLOSET Wig Closet. Today we're going to explore a new style by Estetica, a short little sporty choppy pixie style cut called Jace in the color Sunlit Blonde. Remember, you can find it right here at Wig Studio One. If you drop below the video, expand the description box, there'll be a direct product link there. If you click on the link, it'll take you right out to the site. You can see all of the colors, the pricing, and more detail. If you have any questions, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. And don't forget to visit our private Facebook group called the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. This style is just going to be so much fun if you are a pixie lover. And you can imagine that it only weighs about 2 ounces, just a little over 2 ounces. It feels like air on the head. Now, I will say that I had to make an adjustment as far as it could go because this does fit typical Estetica, which is more average large. But at my 21¼ inch circumference, I was able to get a really nice, secure fit. Basically, this is an open cap wig style. It's very cool, stretchy, and comfortable. It does have a little bit of monofilament right at the crown. It's a little harder to see down into the illusion of scalp there, but it does give the illusion of some natural hair growth. So I'll go ahead and put up a picture of this cap. You can see that it does feature that open wefted style on the top, sides, and back, a little bit of monofilament at the crown, the hook, incremental hook type adjusters that is classic Estetica. I did have to cinch that in as far as it could go. I think this would be very suitable for a 21½ to a 22½ inch circumference. Now, the unique part about this pixie are the irregular layers. So you're going to find that 5½ inch crown at the top. That comes out and around that natural growth pattern. It carries through the back. And also there's a forward movement to that longer layering on the top. So this enables you to wear it straight down, sweep it off to either side. So this style does come in Sunlit Blonde. And I really love Sunlit Blonde. It's a light sandy blonde with some whitish kind of highlights or a toned platinum type highlight. It is very cool, although it has some warmer notes in it. I'm not seeing any yellow in this color at all. I really enjoy these lighter colors on a pixie style cut. And then this one has a medium brown root. Comes in a variety of colors, so be sure to check it out in the links below. So let's go ahead. I'll do a spin for you in indoor light and also in outdoor light so you can get a good sense of this color, and then we'll do some styling. So again, this style is right out of the box. I haven't done any styling to it, although I'm getting some ideas. You will find permatease in this all around the cap. It's not an overabundance of permatease. You can see it's pretty low profile overall, and it has a really light density brought on by these regular synthetic fibers, very soft and silky. They don't have a lot of body on their own unless you use some product. So let's try with glasses. Glasses fit beautifully between the ear and the ear tab, as most pixies are pretty glasses friendly. So let's move this around. I'll give you some ideas on how to style your Jace, and I hope you love this one. I wasn't quite sure right out of the box, but I've grown to really love it, and I think I can make it mine in this styling segment. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you soon right here at TAZSWICCLOSET.